Welcome to another exciting episode of Cooking with Reuben. Cooking with Reuben.
Today we're making some berry treasure. So first you need to weigh 150 grams of some biscuits. I'm pretty sure it's any biscuits.
How many grams is that?
That is 15.
So how many will make 150 do you think? If one is 15.
215 is 30.
And how many 15s is 150?
I don't know. I think it might be 5.
No, double it.
Oh, 10.
Put them in.
Well, that's
So
a
put
fact
10 in and
of
see if it goes
you.
to 150 then.
Well, 4, 6, 10, 1, 2, that is 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, I think some of this might just be for you that don't have a weighing board. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There.
Perfect.
So that is 149.
So now put them in
That should-
put them in your Ziploc bag.
That's good enough. 149. So if it only goes to 149, that's okay because it's only 1 gram. I'm pretty sure it is less. I don't know if it's grams or pounds or whatever. But yeah. So now we have it all in our bag.
So now how much chocolate do we need?
We need 200. What did I say? Grams or 200 grams. And one of these is 100 grams, so only 2 packets of these. But make sure you break them up. You want that?
Just hold the camera on you.
Okay. This way. Look. And then after, we're gonna break it up. And then you're gonna break up your chocolate into chunks. Okay, so when you've done that, your daddy or mummy or dad or mum can put it in the microwave and then you can start mashing up the biscuits. Oh, actually, we need 40 grams of butter. So do I chop it up? So 40 grams. So this butter. Well, that's a lot. Should I cut it up a bit more?
How many grams is that now?
Well, that is at 26.
Oh, so we need a bit more.
Yeah. Let's chop up some of that. 30. So another one. This might be. Oh, that's 50. So if I take away that, if I cut this one in, off, I'm pretty sure. Actually, that's good. Now it should be 37.
Just a teeny bit more.
So just a teeny bit more. That should be good. Wait.
That'll do.
46. That will do. So wait, what did you say? Okay, I'm going to start. No, thumbs up and go. Okay, I'm going to start bashing the biscuit. Well, the chocolate goes melt in the microwave. Oh yeah, also this is a clean table, so mine won't be dirty. Sorry, there's a loud noise. Sorry, they're loud. Daddy's gonna get me the chocolate now, and this is about ready. I think this is ready.
So now are you going to pour it into the chocolate?
Yeah, I'm gonna pour it into the chocolate now.
And then mix it round.
I'm gonna mix it this, which is cocoa powder. But since I have half a tablespoon, I'm gonna put in 2. But that's really soft.
That looks about ready now. Here's it,
Yeah,
Rube.
it does. It looks a bit like crunchies.
Maybe try a bit.
I'm pretty sure. Okay. Oh, it's yummy. Now we're making shapes like buried treasure. Well, that's not very buried treasure, but. Oh. This is very nice. Now we're going to decorate our golden treasure with some golden glitter spray and some golden sprinkles.
Important to note that it is an edible glitter spray.
Yeah, it is an edible glitter spray. So, come on. We've finished off and your golden nuggets will look like this, or gold coins. And we're going to put our treasure in the fridge for later.
So it goes hard.
So it goes hard. We're going to put our biscuits in this. And it's for the soil. Get an adult to whiz it up for you. Oh. Look at that. And then get an adult to whiz it up for you. Right. Now we're going to take this one and then we can dig it up with our spade like it's buried treasure. Right. Whoa! So that's our soil. We've got to dig out our treasure. Ooh, there's some treasure here. It's right there.
Dig it out with your spade. That's an archaeological dig. Oh, you found some treasure.
Yeah.
Now you can eat it.
No.
Yeah, eat it. You can eat it with your hand once you've dug it out. How's it like?